Today, we will improve our momentum strategy by using our best trading view indicator. We will focus on top-down analysis from weekly to hourly and hourly to minute-based charts. We will discover every detail of day trading and scalping. If you are good to go, let's do this. Let's talk about Floki. This coin kept having great setup all this week. It had extremely high potential, so much to play with. We will do a top-down analysis as usual, starting from the weekly. We already talked about this gigantic weekly imbalance, and price may try to fill it recently. There's also this specific BPR area at the top. As you can see, there are good reasons to go up for this coin. Price tries to balance itself to achieve healthier price action. From the daily perspective, you can easily see that this coin has been in a constant rally since the last 5-6 days. Buyers had high interest on this coin. It's no joke. This coin kept becoming one of the top gainers almost every day. And this parabolic liquidity can give you another set of ideas. Price was trying to clear this downtrend liquidity. Let's get back to our momentum layout with our best indicator called ICT High Time Frame Candles. Thanks to our indicator, we can see the history of this coin. What does our indicator tell us about this coin? Let's see. Notice this multi-time frame imbalances and how the price reacts to those areas and start the first small rally. Then it pulls back to another set of multi-level imbalances and starts to rally for a second time. If you have missed all those entries, no worries. Our indicator shows us the third rally. It is less obvious compared to the first two, but still taps the 30 and 45-minute imbalances and starts a micro rally. So, our indicator shows us this. This coin loves its imbalances to power up, to get that rally fuel before big actions. Let's see what happened today with the last rally in 30 and 45-minute imbalances. Now with the power of the 1-minute chart, we can see the action much better in extreme detail. If you watch my last 20-30 videos, it is almost identical. These things keep happening almost every single day, as I showed you in the masterclass program. This yellow point is not an ordinary point. It is the momentum of when the price taps 30 and 45-minute imbalances at the same time, which magically happens at an SR Philip area. What a coincidence. Just like in the masterclass. And look, this downtrend liquidity already gathering upside. A nice target for us. Then the market structure changes and gives your entry with a stop with the protected low. Enough cushion to cover the imbalance, as I always say. This is a solid 1.5R trade. Not the best trade in the world, but it is better than not finding a trade. Even if you use rally strategy with an extremely late entry, still there was a 3% move to catch here. I hope this video is useful for you to learn and improve your trading skills. Similar price action keeps happening almost every day. It is not a 100% winning solution, but it is a strong and valid strategy, and it is very simple to identify. Okay friends, have a good day and see you next time.